everyone, and welcome. Today, we are tackling a very common and often frustrating error when setting up Google Sign-In in your iOS app, the No Active Configuration error with GIDClientID and Info.plist. This usually means your app isn't correctly telling Google who it is, or where to send information back. It's a simple fix once you know the steps, and we'll go through them together right now. We will make sure your app can successfully communicate with Google's authentication services. First, let's understand the problem. Google Sign-In needs a unique identifier, your client ID, to know which application is trying to authenticate. This client ID must be correctly placed in your app's Info.plist file, and your app also needs to register a specific URL scheme. If any part of this is missing or incorrect, you get this configuration error. Our first step is to obtain your Google Client ID. You need to go to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account. Select your project from the drop-down menu. Navigate to APIs and Services, then click on Credentials. Here, you will find your OAuth 2.0 client IDs. Look for the one listed under iOS Client. It will be a long string of characters, usually ending with .apps.googlezercontent.com. Copy this entire string. This is your unique GIDClientID. Next, we need to add this client ID to your app's Info.plist file within Xcode. Open your Xcode project. In the Project Navigator, find your Info.plist file and open it. Right-click on any empty space in the property list editor or click the plus button next to an existing entry. Add a new row. For the key, type GIDClientID. Ensure the type is set to string. For the value, paste the client ID you copied from the Google Cloud Console. Make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces. This tells the Google Sign-In SDK what client ID to use. Now, this is a crucial step often missed, setting up the URL schemes. Still in Xcode, select your project in the Project Navigator. Then select your target. Go to the Info tab. Scroll down to the URL Types section. Click the plus button to add a new URL type. For the identifier, you can use your bundle ID, like com.yourcompany.urap. The most important part is the URL schemes. Here, you need to enter the reversed form of your client ID. For example, if your GIDClientID is 12345678908abcdfg.apps.googlezercontent.com, your URL scheme will be com.googlezercontent.apps.abcdfg12345678990. You reverse the domain part, then add the prefix before the .apps.googlezercontent.com part. This URL scheme allows Google to redirect back to your app after a successful sign-in. Double-check this part very carefully, as a single typo will cause the error to persist. Finally, clean and build your project. Go to Product in the Xcode menu, then Clean Build folder. After cleaning, build and run your application on a device or simulator. Try the Google Sign-In flow again. The No Active Configuration error should now be gone, and you should be able to sign in successfully. Thank you so much for watching and following along. I hope this video helped you fix this tricky Google Sign-In error. If it did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or found another solution. Share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with this issue. Your support helps a lot. See you next time.